Hey, hey, how are we doing? Hope everybody's had a good day today. It is Thursday, February 20th. Not a bad day today. We had a good day in the live trading over at the Stocks with Josh Discord community. I would like to invite you guys and gals, if you're not part of that community yet, to come over. The uh, Discord link for Josh's Discord will be in the description below. Um, that is the link that will support me also. So if you're in the Discord and you want to upgrade, you can use my link and upgrade from the low tier to the middle tier, or up to VIP tier. If you want to subscribe under me, that would be awesome. I appreciate that support. Um, we had several banger trades this morning, I'll call them, right at the open. Um, it may help if I get on the SPY. This is what we trade. I go by Spy Lord over in Josh's uh, Discord, and hence the name Spy Lord on the YouTube here. If you're watching this video, so mostly, if I could just tell you a little bit about what I do, is we day trade options on the Spy 90% of the time. We've started adding in the Qs a little bit, QQQ, and sometimes we will do Nvidia, Apple, Amazon. We don't steer too far from those most of the time. So that's mainly what we focus on. We've narrowed down what we're looking at and uh, set our focus there. It's really good for anybody beginning options, and it's also really good skill to learn and develop. Even if you've been trading for a while, you just want to take your trading to another level or master something else. I highly suggest that it can be very profitable. And we have a great time doing it. We had 300 or 400 people in my live this morning, so we had a good time. We all hang out, one big family. Uh, we don't we don't sow any discord in the Discord, and we all get along well. So if you're not part of that, come be part of it with us. You can find Josh's YouTube channel on here in the description, and the Discord link on the description. And also there'll be Webull. If you're looking for what I trade on, this is the platform here. And the way I have my options set up, I've been teaching people this, how to be able to hop in and hop out of options really fast. It's a great tool. It's Turbo Trader Options in Webull, and I'm falling in love with it more every day. So if you want to learn some of this stuff and how I chart and how I trade, I would invite you to come follow me over at Josh's Discord. I'm in the Crown Traders section, and hope to see you there. So the SPY, today something I like to do is is go back. I generally will go back between 1 and 5 sessions, sometimes up to 2 weeks out, back behind us. I'm just going to turn the EMAs and VWAP. This white line is my VWAP. Uh, I like to go back and find previous structure, find previous reversal points in the chart, and this is how I usually set my levels. And I go do some other things too in TradingView and run some volume profiles and such. But we had the levels nailed down really nice today. I post my levels every morning if that's something you're interested in. Also, even if you can't live day trade, I usually will set a few levels to go long or to go short under. If you're looking for supports and resistances, and you just get a small window to trade each day, that's fine too. Um, I'll tell you today, I had 60 Let me get this again here. 609.60 was what I listed this morning as a support. And once that support was broke, we took puts under that support. And I'll just show you how this played out today. Played out really nice. If I can get there. This is the beginning of the day. Generally what we do, unless I've got a really nice setup right out of the gate, is we wait for morning market structure to develop. We set our pre-market highs, our pre-market lows. We had highs up in this general region up at 612, and right at the beginning of today's session, I noticed uh, this little level right in here. I'm going to call it 611 if I can get it set. So I knew pretty quick off the bat today, as soon as we started breaking pre-market structure, we started taking positions at puts. And then also when we broke my next one at 609.60 is what I had. Yeah, 609.60. Here was the next level down. Actually, I've got 609.50 marked, but it was right here. So we broke pre-market. We flushed to 610 pretty quick. These are 5-minute candles. I think we took some profits right here at 610. So we got this whole point. We got a little bounce, and then we loaded again on this candle and loaded again on this candle. Now, some people got more than me. Some people were popping in a lot higher percentages than I got, just because we knew the levels to go. We knew the levels beforehand. We knew the levels that we needed to go short under. We knew where the reversal was going to be. And, right now, 607.30 is going to be my support. You could even drag this down and just call it 607 if you want to. Here's the bottom wicks. Immediately, we got out of that trade. Wow. My computer will slow down just a little. Here we go. This is why we took profits on this next candle. You go to a 15, you saw buyers start to step in. Here's back on the 5-minute view. This candle still stayed red on a 5-minute view, but we caught this wick right here. Not a bad place. I think we took a few calls right here on this reversal. Now, I didn't play much more out through the day. One reason was we chopped for a while, but later in the day, I printed out in the Discord 6040, 60840 for resistance, and then VWAP. Let me turn VWAP on. I'm just going to draw you a line where my 60840 was. This was today. 60840 has been a heck of a level over the past few weeks that's give us trouble. So today, when we got back over it, this was at 12 o'clock when I printed this. Let me go back. We got nothing here. We really got a false signal, sold off again, and then it came back right to this same level, 60840. This was an area to go long as soon as we cleared this VWAP. This ended up running really nice. I even saved a screenshot of it today, um, on that level of 119% on that move on 609 calls. Uh, as soon as we broke, I loaded some here and then loaded again here, and we actually got a retest on VWAP. This is why I run VWAP a lot, guys, especially towards the end of the day. I notice if volume's a little lower, a lot of times, whichever side of VWAP you're on, it's going to act as support or resistance. It acted as support this time, so you got to retest the VWAP to load again. And this thing, it doesn't seem like much, but getting in and getting out at the right time on an option can produce large percentage points. So, these are little plays that we do throughout the day. I'll show everybody how to teach and draw their supports and resistances. Uh, would love for you to come hang out with us. Please keep an eye on 60840. I'm actually going to change that to a horizontal line. The difference in horizontal ray and a horizontal line, the ray will stop at this point wherever I want to stop it. A horizontal line will continue all over your chart. So I know I'll set it right there and I'll mark it red. And I'll actually change this to a broken dotted line because it's a pretty significant level. There you go. Now it's all like if I go to a 1 hour chart and go way back, that line is still there. A ray would just stop here where I found local support. So, going into tomorrow and we'll see how here's the night session is starting right now. I would like to hold over 610, at the very least 609.50. I'd like to hold over that to get any kind of bullish move. The SPY is talked about this earlier with somebody else. The SPY is really sort of range bound here. Uh, it's just not giving a whole lot of movement lately as far as trending up on a longer time frame. We need more momentum. We really need momentum to pick up. Volume's got to pick up to the upside. RSI is starting to fall a little bit. The MACD, we really never got a big move out of this last bump up and price action to the upside. It just never followed through with a lot of buying pressure. So for now, I'll just this it's kind of a trader's market, not a swing market unless you're doing leaps, which is another great thing about Josh's Discord. Him and Stocks with Ashley are providing a lot of great information on long-term options. They show you which strikes to pick, and these are amazing calls. Pretty much, I think every one of them's been very profitable so far. They know what they're doing, but I'm not into swinging options much right now on the SPY. This market's just very choppy, and it doesn't interest me much. I would rather trade it intraday, where I can control my shorter moves with it. And that's what we do here. So hopefully, if you're interested, you'll come join us. Be sure to hit the like for me. It helps me out. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Often in the evening times, I will come back on and do a live session with the whole family, and we just chart and do questions, and it's always a good time to do that. And we'd love to have you in if you're not in. If you are in, you want to upgrade, use my link to upgrade to the VIP. It's well worth it. The live trading with Josh 2 days a week is well worth it. And the Leaps folder is well worth it. The crypto gems is well worth it. It's all very much worth $100 a month. I promise you that. You can uh, make that a few minutes on some of his plays. So, all right, guys, watch out for 610 and 609.50 to hold. 607 be my immediate support. You got 608.40 in the way. That thing has been a monster for some time now. Uh, it keeps on. You can see it here. You can see it here. In the middle of the day, sometimes it's gave us a lot of problems. And it's acted as resistance and support often here. So let's keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on 607, and then I've got more support at 602 and 600. And if you got a question, tag me in the Discord if you're in there. I'd be happy to help you. We will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Peace.